Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics. This is lecture number 2 in chapter number 13 surface area and volume. In first lecture we have seen all the formula of area and volume related to the some solids, and example 1 also we have seen in the topic of combination of solids. So in the combination of solids, more examples we have here, like example number 2 we have first. In this lecture, example 1 we have seen in the first lecture also. So here the decorative block shown in the figure, here the figure shown, this is decorative block is shown here, is made up of two solids, a cube in lower side and a hemisphere on it. This way the block is, decorative block has two solids, one this is cube shaped block and above that hemispherical block. The base of the block, the base means the lower side is cube with edge 5 centimeter. The block is cube, on base it is, and its edge is 5 centimeter, means each side of the cube is 5 centimeter. And the hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 4.2 centimeter, which is the hemisphere on the top it is, and its diameter is 4.2 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block. Total surface area we need to find here. How to find? Let's see. The solution here, the TSA means total surface area of the block, is equals to TSA of cube we want first. Total surface area of cube we have to find. From that, this is the hemispherical top is on the one of the face of the cube, so we have to subtract that part. So minus base of area of hemisphere. Which part of the hemisphere is on the face? It is base part of base area of the hemisphere, so that we have to subtract, and plus the CSA is curved surface area of hemisphere. From the outside we can see that is the surface area, we have to add it, plus CSA of hemisphere. Now place all the formula related to this all. So TSA of cube, you know, 6 into side square. So side edge is A, let's consider. So 6 into A square minus this TSA of cube minus base area of hemisphere is, base of the hemisphere you know that it is circular. So it is pi r square plus CSA of hemisphere, the formula is 2 pi r square, that we have written. Now 6a square as it is plus minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square, which will give plus pi r square. Then place the value. 6 into a means edge of the cube is pi, so that is pi square plus pi is 22 upon 7 into r is diameter by 2. And diameter of this hemispherical part is 4.2, it's by 2, so it gives r and it's square, so square. Now more simplifications. Pi square 25 into 6 is 150 plus 22 upon 7 as it is, 4.2 upon 2, to remove the point we have to take 10 down, so it is 42 upon 20 becomes, and it's square, so 2 times we have written here. Now simplification we have to do. This will be 7 6 are 42 and 6 3 are 6, by 2 we can cancel, 2 3 are 6, 2 10s are 20. Here also 2 11s are and 2 10s are. So up there we have 11 into 3, 33 into 42. 33 into 42 upon 10 10s are 100. That simplification is plus 150 as it is. So this is 150 plus 11 is 33 and into 42 will give 1386 divided by 100 will give 13.86. And the sum of these two numbers 150 and 13.86 give 163.86 centimeter square, and this is the total surface area of the decorative block. This way. The combination of two solids given, and we have to understand which part is shown by the decoration part, and which part is hidden. Hidden part is subtracted and shown part is added. The next example 3, we have a wooden toy rocket. This is the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder, as in the figure. On the cylinder, the cone is mounted, that way the toy rocket is, and its entire height of rocket is 26 centimeters. So here the entire height 26 centimeters shown, while the height of the conical part is 6. Conical part is this much only, its height is 6 shown here. The base of conical portion has a diameter 5 cm. This is the base of cone part, and its diameter is 5 cm shown in the figure. And while the base of cylinder portion has diameter 3. Cylinder portion's diameter, this diameter is 3 here shown. If the conical portion is to be painted orange, this conical portion we want to paint by orange color, and the cylindrical portion, this remaining portion, down portion, is yellow. We want to paint it yellow. Find the area of the rocket painted with each of these colors. Both the colors we want to find out how much area we have to color with each. And pi equals to 3.14 we will take in the question it is given. So in solution, first we think about the cone which is mounted on the cylinder. For cone, let the radius is r, small r. It is diameter by 2, so 5 by 2, because diameter of cone is 5 given. So 5 by 2 will give 2.5 cm. Its height h, we will show it small h. This height is by small h shown. Is 6 cm, it is given 6 cm, that we have placed. For cone, you know that slant height L equals to root of h square plus r square. Place the value, root of h is 6 square plus r is 2.5 square. 2.5 square is 6.25 plus 6 square is 36. Sum of these two will be 42.25 in root, and root of 42.25 is 6.5 centimeters. So this is slant height we get for the cone part. And for cylindrical part, this part, the remaining part, the radius we will say as capital R to make it different from the radius of the cone. Capital R is again the diameter is half, and its diameter is 3. So 3 by 2, 3 is half, is 1.5 centimeter for the cone, for the cylinder. Radius is 1.5, and the height of the cylinder is this, actually this portion. And this portion, to get this portion, you know, the full height 26 and the height of the cone is 6. So we have subtracted it. The height of the cylinder, the capital H equals to 26, the full height of the toy minus height of the cone give height of the cylinder. It is 26 minus 6 is 20 centimeter. This. Now we want to find out the area to be painted orange. And orange color is on the conical part we want to paint. For this, we want to paint the conical part from by orange color. So how to get this? This portion is actually shown the base of this cone and top of this cylinder. The base of cone, you know, this is circular of 5 centimeter diameter, right? And base of the top of the cylinder is of diameter 3 centimeter. This is shown area. So on the cone, this portion actually, on the base part, this portion also we have to paint by orange. And this portion, how to get the diameter 5 minus the diameter of cylinder, that we have to understand. And this base of the cone is circular and top of the cylinder is also circular, but their radii are different. So that thing we have to understand here by this figure. So area to be painted orange is CSA of cone, that is very clear. The CSA of cone we have to paint by orange, and now the bottom part of the cone how to consider that part? The base area of total base area of the cone minus base area of cylinder, if we do, the remaining portion which is painted by orange we will get. So CSA of cone, the formula is pi r plus base area of cone. Base of cone is circular with the radius small r per cone. The radius is r. So pi r square minus base area of cylinder. For cylinder also it is circular, but its radius is capital R, so minus pi r square. Now from all the three terms, pi is common, so remaining r plus r square minus this capital R square. Now place values, pi is 3.14 we have to place in the question given, so we have taken into r, this small r is of the radius of the cone is 2.5, into L is for the cone we got 6.5, that plus this r square means cone radius 2.5 square minus this capital R is the radius of the cylindrical part 1.5 square. Now simplification, 3.14 into 2.5 to 6.5, it will give 16.25 plus 2.5 square is 6.25 minus 1.5 square is 2.125. Then 3.14 as it is, sum of these two, 16.25 and 6.25 is 22.250 minus 2.25. 3.14 into subtraction of this 22.50 minus 2.25 give 20.25, and multiply 3.14 into 20.25 will give 63.585 centimeter square. So this much area of the conical part must be painted by orange color. This is the orange color we have to paint this much area, 63.585 centimeter square. Now the area to be painted yellow is the remaining portion of this cylindrical portion actually. So in that also you understand the CSA of cylindrical part we have to paint with the yellow, and its base part also we have to paint with yellow. The area of lower base of the cylinder we have to paint with yellow color. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. For cylinder the radius is capital R. The height is capital H we have noted, but in the particular question. So 2 pi r h is CSA of cylinder plus area of lower base. Lower base is circular part. So its area is pi r square with the radius as capital R. Now from both these two terms, pi r common. So remaining is 2 capital H plus 1 r here. Now place values, pi is 3.14 into this r is r means radius of the cylinder is 1.5 into bracket 2 into h, height of this cylinder is 20 plus capital R again is the radius of cylinder 1.5. Simplify this, 3.14 into 1.5 will give 4.710 in the bracket 20 into 2 40 plus 1.5 as it is. So 4.710 can be written as 2.71 into sum of 40 plus 1 by 40 1.5 and multiply these two will give 195.465 centimeter square. This area shows that the yellow color, how much yellow color we have to paint on the cylindrical portion. So this way both the colors, each of the colors, how much we have to paint, that we have found for the particular question. Now next we have example 4, after this example 3 and exercise 13.1, in which you will find the same type of questions which we have solved in last lecture example 1, in this lecture example 2 and 3. So you are suggested to do this is in your homework, that example 4 you do first, and then exercise 13.1, all this combination of two figures or solids related questions we have to solve in your homework. Thank you.